All right, everybody. This is the last Sapphire break for a minute. I want to get some stuff shipped out. I still have some update breaks for tonight, though. And Addison Russell. Austin Riley. Nice rookie. Jose Abreu. Jake Cave for the Twins. We haven't hit a super today. Taylor Ward. Jacob Nix. Old doggy door Jacob Nix. 5 of 10. Aguilar. Austin Meadows. Andrew McCutchen. Yankees and Dodgers. Those are good teams to have. Corbin Burns, Ronnie Rodriguez rookies. Matt Duffy, he's a Ray. 10 of 10, Matt Duffy. Chris Sale. Colby Allard for the Braves. Carlos Correa. Carlos Martinez. Jeff McNeil, rookie. Acuna. All right, that's box 2. Here comes box 3. Willie Adames, Charlie Morton, Didi Gregorius. The last 2 cases, they'll just be later tonight. I'm not sure exactly when. Shufo, I actually have 4 tonight. Votto. They don't take a long time. I want to get all the shipping done, and I probably have to pick up the kids. So that's why I don't want to, I'm not 100% sure on the time. Steel City Slammers for the Pirates. Chris Paddock, rookie. Jorge Polanco. Xander Bogaerts. And Kiermaier. All right. Box 4. Correa. Jeff McNeil, rookie. Austin Riley auto, very nice. Acuna. Starling Castro, 6 of 10. Chris Shaw, I'll be done in about like 5 minutes.
Oh.
Okay. A color Tatis. The only color Tatis I've hit is autos. Otherwise, it's all been base. All right, box 5. Yeah, box 5. So halfway done. Pettit, 25. JD Martinez, Chris Archer. Mitch Keller, auto. Chris Shaw, Freddie Freeman. Robbie Ray. Corey Kluber. Suarez, the mystery boxes that are still selling right now. Brendan Rodgers for the Rockies. I think the thread says they ship the 25th. I think that's when it says. Joe Musgrove, I have it down as a Monday. Or maybe it's the 28th, because maybe that's Monday. Yeah, probably the 28th. Because something I'm waiting on doesn't get here till the 25th. I want to include it. I hit a red Alonso. Drew Verhagen to 25. Kyle Seager. Brendan Lau, base auto. Josh James, rookie. Starling Marte. JD Martinez. Christian Yelich, Jacob Nix, rookie. Old puppy dog Nix. Max Scherzer. And JD Martinez, that's nice. 7 of 10, JD Martinez. Oh, Mr. MVP hunt, JD Martinez. He tries every year. He gets close. Definitely gets votes. Which one? The red. Oh yeah, you're right. The red. The Pete Alonso was an auto. Yeah. I don't know if I've hit color of them. Yes, I have. I've hit a Pete purple and a Pete orange. Because I remember we did it the same night. And I hit a Tatis purple too, I think. Chris Shaw, 9 of 10. Rookie. Now that I think about it. Ronnie Rodriguez. These have not, this one's not been drug across the floor like the other one. And Juan Soto. Yeah, now that I think about it, I have. And I've hit Tatis color too, now that I think about it. Kyle Tucker, the breaks, they run together. You know, you kind of start forgetting what you've hit. Ozzy Albies. D. Gordon. All right, guys, 3 boxes left. We've got a Urias, a rookie. And the last 3 boxes coming up. I thought of you when I hit that. Tyler Glass now, Perez. Devers. Jacob Nix, Doggy Door Nix. Mike Fears, 25. Schwarber. Patrick Wisdom. David Fletcher. All right, guys, 2 boxes left. Jankowski to 25. Carter Kieboom rookie. Whit Merrifield. Brad Keller. Giolito. DeGrom. Cody Bellinger. David Boat. Rosario. Last pack box 9. Blake Snell for the Rays, 4 of 5. Very nice. Billy McKinney. All right, guys, the last box, and then I'll be back live again later on tonight, all right? Hey, that's cool. Yes, sir. You see all the Vladdies I've hit today? I didn't hit one in this break, at least not yet, but the first 3 I hit Vladdy. Tortuga, also Buster Posey. Don't just stand there. Buster Posey. Victor Reyes, 12 of 25. Arenado. And Cole Stewart. That's probably the last auto. Unless we double up. So in this one, we haven't hit a big 4 card. Not one. But we hit a ton earlier, so these poor guys are going to be like, son of a... Justin Verlander. Mookie Betts. Trey Turner. And that is it. And no big 4 in the last 10 boxes. All right, so this is what we got. We got Victor Reyes, Tortuga, Blake Snell, Carter Kieboom, Jankowski, Fears, Kyle Tucker, Juan Soto, Chris Shaw, JD Martinez. Verhagen, Musgrove, Brendan Rodgers, Pettit, Starlin Castro, Acuna, McNeil, Chris Paddock, Steel City, Acuna, McNeil, Duffy, Jacob Nix, and Austin Riley. And then Cole Stewart, Brad Keller, Jacob Nix, Ronnie Rodriguez, Brandon Lau, Mitch Keller, Austin Riley, that's our best hit. Shufo, Allard, and Jake Cave. So Austin Riley is the best card in break 4. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching the breaks. Like I said, I will be back. There'll be more Sapphire. I have some. And I've got you, okay? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We were live for 2 hours and 47 minutes. And we'll be live again tonight, okay? All right, see you guys. Thanks again. I'll get your videos in your thread. All right, bye.